In this video, we'll be looking at how you connect the eBeam Edge wireless. The difference between the Edge and the Edge wireless is that with the wireless, we get two extra pieces. We get the wireless adapter and we get the plug for connecting to the power point. So when you unpack your eBeam Edge wireless, you will see all the parts that you receive in the box. You have your receiver and your stylus. You then get your cable which connects your receiver to the power point. You have your wireless adapter and you have the power point that will be plugged into the wall or the socket. Along with that, you have your manuals and your software. Where this is different from our normal eBeam Edge wired, instead of connecting our USB cable to the computer for power, we connect it to the wall socket for power. We then insert our adapter into our computer, and these talk wirelessly to each other, allowing me to move my computer around a bit. We still need to connect our VGA cable to the projector. If we have speakers, we can connect our speakers and our power cable. Let's have a look, see how this is done. The first part we need to do is power up the receiver. You'll use the USB cable for this. You connect the one end to the receiver. Take caution when putting it in that you put it in the correct way. The second part is connected into the plug, which we then plug into our adapter or into the wall to power up the receiver. The second part we need to do is connect the wireless adapter to our computer. So once we've powered up the receiver, you will see that it will start to flash blue. This means that it is trying to connect or link to our adapter. We can then take our adapter and plug it into the computer. It will also start to flash blue. Once the two of them have linked up, the flashing will stop and it will be solid blue lights on each device. An added accessory is the battery pack. This allows for a lot more freedom with our eBeam Edge wireless, as we do not have to connect the wire into a power point. We simply attach the receiver to the battery pack and we can plug it in and power it from that. Let's have a look, see how we do that. The first thing we need to do is to connect the battery pack to the receiver. Take caution when doing this, as it needs to be aligned perfectly straight so that the ends and the middle point connect smoothly. You're then able to power it up and run the receiver. Once we've done that, we will need to connect our adapter. So power up the receiver. Once again, it'll start to flash blue. We connect our adapter and it will also flash blue, and once they've linked, there will be a solid blue light. Should we need to charge our battery pack, we can simply connect the USB cable to a hole in the back of the battery pack. Again, we will then connect the other side to our plug, and our plug will be connected into an adapter or at the wall. And now your eBeam device will be fully functional and you could go ahead and teach your lesson or deliver your presentation. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.